Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can copy all cards from Trello to Microsoft Planner, so let's jump into it. First, log into your Trello account using your email, Google ID, or Apple ID, whichever you prefer. Next, select the board you want to copy. For example, you might pick a board with lists like scripting, filming, or editing. Now, click the three dots icon in the top right corner of your board. From the drop-down menu, select Print, Export, and Share. Scroll down and choose Export as JSON. Since exporting CSV is only available with a paid Trello plan, the JSON file is your best free option. The file will download automatically. Once you have the JSON file, open it, you'll see the data in a code format. Don't worry. Now, open your web browser and go to the website conclone IHSN to CSV. This tool lets you convert your JSON data into a CSV file easily. Copy all the content from your downloaded JSON file and paste it into the converter on the website. Then, convert the file, and you'll get a CSV spreadsheet with all your Trello cards organized neatly. Finally, you can import this CSV file into Microsoft Planner using Microsoft's import tools or third-party services.